To see my version of a keto meat lovers pizza, keep watching. I'm still eating. It's beginning to look a lot like Vlogmas on OhhSoPaige channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe, give a thumbs up for a like, and comment down below. It's beginning to look a lot like Vlogmas. Hi YouTube, it's your girl Paige and welcome back to my channel OhhSoPaige. We are doing Vlogmas and today I have a special treat for you. I'm going to be making my favorite keto not cheat meal because I love pizza, and so I'm going to show you guys how I do my keto friendly pizza, the Fathead dough method. So we're going to start off with me showing you how the Fathead dough is made, and then we'll get into the actual pizza part. For my regular subscribers, I will be doing a hair tutorial tomorrow night, possibly, so that I can have that uploaded for you guys, and then get ready with me. So I will be doing some more beauty stuff, so you don't have to worry that all my Vlogmas is going to be about random stuff, which it's going to be some random stuff because it's my life and I'm random, but I am going to also sneak in some beauty things for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay guys, so let's get into what you need. So you need 2 eggs. You need 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese, which I just have some thick sliced mozzarella that I used. You also need 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I have a Philadelphia brand, and I've already got that sliced up. And then you need 1/3 cup of coconut flour, which I also got when I did my grocery store haul in my last Vlogmas video. So please look at that. I'll have it linked in the description below as well as up above. And this is Bob's Red Mill Organic Coconut Flour. You can also use almond flour, which is what I usually use, but I want to try something different this time. If you're using almond flour, you're going to need 3/4. Yeah, 3/4. If you're using almond flour, you're gonna need 3/4 of a cup of almond flour and just 1 egg. So it's totally different, and I'll have these ingredients linked below as well. The last thing you need is parchment paper, because like you gotta have this because this Fathead dough is gonna be really sticky. So you really need parchment paper. So first, what you start off with is the cheese, because we gotta get this melted down, and then we add the rest of the products. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese to my mixing bowl. And then you kind of want to, I don't know what I did with my knife. You kind of want to cut your cream cheese up into some squares, because we need these to like melt and congeal together. So you don't want it to be like all one thing. And I probably should have like cut this up before I let it get room temperature, but it is what it is. I just want to make sure I'm getting all of the cheese. Okay, so once you have all your cheeses in your mixing bowl, you're gonna microwave this for like 90 seconds or so. But don't leave it in there the whole 90 seconds. Like take it out and stir it up a little bit and then put it back in there for the rest of the time, because the first time I made this, I did not take it out. I let it sit there the whole time, and it just was too like melted together, too balled up, and you need to mix it so that it can be congealed and still soft. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave, and I'll be right back with you guys. So guys, I didn't do the whole 90 seconds. I still got like 19 minutes left, but mine's just like well incorporated. Like look at that. And it's super hot. So I'm gonna let it cool just a little bit because I gotta add egg and flour to it. And you know how egg is, so I don't want to add the egg while it's still like really piping hot. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and beat my eggs up because I'm about to go ahead and add it to the mixture. This is how the dough looks. Just like, looks like real dough. So I'm gonna come back to you guys in just a second. Let me lay out my pan and my parchment paper. Just a regular little piece of pan that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna cover it with my parchment paper, and then we're gonna like spread out the dough in the shape that we want. So if you want like a square pizza, you can do that. But like I said, my tray is round, so I'm gonna do a round pizza and try to fill this all the way out so it can be as big as possible. And I'm going to change the camera angle so y'all can be looking just smack dab at this part. So if you guys want to use your hands, you can. You just need to wet them first before manipulating this, because like I said, it's really sticky. I'm not using my hands. I don't use my hands. I usually use a spoon, but I'm gonna use this today to flatten it out. And what I usually do, like I said, I just go in a circular motion and just spread this out. Y'all, this consistency is so much more different than like when I make it with almond flour. It's so crazy. Like, it's such a difference. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to do an almond flour one so you can see the difference. And so I'm just gonna spread this out. I'll probably speed up all of this footage. Okay guys, so I've been spreading this out and this is the result of it. I'm gonna do the edges just a little bit more, just keep spreading just a little bit. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for 6 minutes. When you look at it in the oven, if it has any like air bubbles, you can go ahead and poke holes in those air bubbles and then, you know, let it cook a little bit more for 3 to 7 minutes, depending on how brown or dark or golden you want your crust to be. I don't want mine to be too dark or too hard, so because it's gonna go back in the oven for more time with your actual pizza toppings. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven, and the oven is preheated at 425 degrees. So that's the temperature that you need to put it in the oven at. And while I'm putting this in the oven, I'm gonna work on my toppings. So I'm gonna go ahead and fry up some bacon. I have pepperoni, and then I'm also going to fry up, probably with my bacon, some turkey sausage crumbles, and that's gonna be my toppings for my pizza. So I'll be back and show you guys what this looks like out the oven. So as you guys know, my bacon is currently cooking. I have 54 seconds left. Let's take a look at the dough. And it does have air bubbles in it now, but it looks so good. Looks like real pizza, don't it, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and poke my holes in it. I'm gonna go ahead and poke my holes in it now to put the air bubbles down. And I could take this all the way out, but I'm lazy. It smells good too. This crust smells good. The almond flour crust don't smell that good. But it's probably because it's coconut. It does smell really like coconutty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the oven and let this get more brown. Plus my bacon getting a little lit over here. Okay guys, so it's been about, let's say, I did the 6 minutes and then I put it back in the oven for like another 6 minutes. Not on purpose. I could have took it out 1.5 minutes like before. It is a really golden color, which is fine. I did make some sausage crumbles, which is actually Jimmy Dean's turkey sausage crumbles. I have pepperoni slices. I did cut up some bacon, but I should have did more bacon. I have some Monterey Jack and Colby Jack cheese. And then I have some thick mozzarella again. And as far as my marinara sauce, I got HEB's. I have some leftover HEB marinara sauce from the other times I've made my pizza. And it's pretty much the healthy marinara is what it says. And this has how many grams of carbs? 8 grams of carbs in this. 8 grams of carb per half a cup, which I don't even think I'm gonna use. Half a cup is this amount. I don't even use a whole half a cup. I just use enough to coat the pizza. And I don't even coat it a lot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the marinara sauce on. Now, mind you, I've made the keto pizza about, this will be my 3rd time making this pizza. But like I said, this is my 1st time doing it with coconut oil. So this marinara sauce, this one thing of marinara sauce has lasted me for that many pizzas. And so you're just gonna spread this on around. Y'all, I'm so hungry. It's really late at night. And I didn't really have an appetite today. And I really could not eat, but I know I need to. But I just do not have much of an appetite. Okay. And you just do it to your desired ratio. I kind of like for it to be like a real pizza, so I'm giving it like a crust. So I'm not going all the way to the edge. I'm just going like close enough to the edge, but not like too much. So, like that. So I put it in the oven for another 6 minutes, and the pizza is done. Ta-da! It looks so good. It looks so good. Now for presentation purposes, we got some parsley flakes. They don't really taste like nothing, but add parsley flakes and stuff, it makes it look all fancy. Fancy schmancy. Don't it look fancy now? Or it just look like the same pizza with green stuff? I do have my pizza cutter, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut this up and take a slice, take a bite. right, you guys, that is it for this video. As stated before, I'm just about to eat my pizza. It looks so good. I'm so hungry. This is so good. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and eat. Oh, it's so good. I can't tell which crust I like better though. Honestly, they both taste the same to me. But as far as like affordable wise, I say use coconut flour. Like I said, I do have more keto stuff that I'm gonna be cooking for this week for my foods. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see more keto recipes from your girl. I actually have fun doing this, as I stated before. And I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas video.